Welcome to everybody. I will talk about the green library services in the Tatabánya Eco Library. The József Attila County and City Library is situated in northwest Hungary in the county seat of Komárom-Esztergom County in Tatabánya. The center of the formerly significant mining district, today a modern industrial city, is located in beautiful natural environment between two small mountains, Vértes and Gerecse. The library in the center of the county is responsible for supply of nearly 300,000 people along the population of 70,000 of the city. In 2010, the József Attila County and City Library, under the direction of Mr. Pál Vojt, PhD, formulated and highlighted for the first time between the community public libraries the environmental awareness and sustainability in the mission statement. The ecological thinking, the dissemination of environmental awareness, the awareness raising, organizing programs, the highlighted collecting of the environmental information and the services based upon them became a main pillar of the mentality and philosophy of the library. All activities are permitted by the ecological commitment and the social responsibility. The ecological collection, the reference department and information service system were initiated continuously from summer 2010. Nowadays, they are extended on the city branches of the library, moreover, on the community libraries with service agreements in Komárom-Esztergom County. Bearing in the mind possibilities of the sustainable development, the environmental education of the people of the catchment area and the small settlements, the communicating of the natural values, the various traditional and non-traditional library works are going on motivated for 8 years. Whole scope of the activities is pervaded by the work in the city, in the region, beyond the area of the county. Beside the developing and locating of the stock of database is built, a web page is performed, communities are promoted, lectures are given, programs are organized, out-of-school education is assisted, relationships beyond the borders are managed, and much professional skills are influenced by the eco department. The most important remotely accessible eco-content and online services of the library can be reached on the webpage of the József Attila County and City Library in the For the Sustainable Future menu. The ecological activities of the library is summarized in the issue The Eco-Library of Tatabánya, the strengthening of the ecological thinking in the community of the city Tatabánya with library devices, which is readable in English too on the webpage from 2016. The first point of the identity design was the formation of the Ecoteka in 2010. The accentuated stock of the collection of the county library consists of documents with wider ecological themes, and it is increased and developed as far as possible, optionally in more copies. The actual offer is about 7,000 volumes and 30 magazines. There are 1,500 volumes on the open shelves. The Eco Corner is separated space in the reading room, and the browsable book selection contains not only especially scientific works, but works from other disciplines touching and crossing ecology. The furniture and the atmosphere of the Eco Corners reflects the ecological approach, and it leads directly to the open-air green reading room. The monthly newsletter edited by Mr. János Nász from 2011, which is regularly, automatically received by subscribers as a newsletter service, it reaches several hundreds via email. Initially, the title was Eco Newsletter. It is published as Eco News from 2015. From 2011, about 1,000 articles and essays were offered with links available via internet, and about 80 internal and external environmental events were reported. From February 2015, there is a new element, the Eco-Bibliography, sorting the articles about environmental awareness of the press and magazines subscribed by the library. This is an annotated, proposing bibliography with short abstracts and summary of the content. An index is also made to recommendation of 2015 to help the contemplate certain ecological themes. The index is increased continuously. About 700 articles are indexed by Mr. János Nász until the end of 2017. The series of events Eco Evenings is a series of continuously monthly organized lectures to strengthen the sustainability, the renewable energies, the environmental protection, the environmental education, the cohabitation science, the environmental awareness to raise the consciousness. Until the end of 2017, more than 70 lectures were completed in the library. The goal of the Eco Evenings is to draw attention of the inhabitants in the catchment area to the environmental and natural awareness to the possibilities of the sustainable development through the interpretation of local and national experts. The pursuit in the selection of lectures of the Eco Evening was to attract a broader range of social actors to gain and to publish a variety of perspectives, opinions, suggestions, solutions, views about the environmental conditions and the remedy of the caused damages with holistic approach. The library organizes camps with eco themes from 2013 using the resources of National Cultural Fund. The location was Agostyán Ágoston Liget in 2013, Komárom-Koppány Monostor in the next 3 years. The camp was successful in 2016 at the Artist Retreat in Bajna. The participants were every time students of elementary and high schools of Tatabánya. The nature study camps of the Children's Department of the County Library are popular for years too. Not hidden intention of the camps is to organize an environmentally friendly environmentalist group from the local youth who can orientate themselves in the nature, science and ecological themes through the services of the County Library and can have more direct attractiveness toward their age group. The recurring themes of the camps, natural values of habitation, region, country, and the particular site, exploring the renewable energies through the 4 elemental world, recognition of herbs, natural values, the criteria of the collection of county values. Much emphasis is placed on the conscious shopping and consumption, on the practical and safe use of the internet. The Green Reading Room, established in the backyard of the library, waits the readers from 2012. On the terrace facing the Park of Peace, comfortable, calm milieu waits the visitors from May to October each year. Many activities, programs can be organized here, taking advantage of the great weather. Each year, several hundreds of readers use the possibility of open reading in the natural ambience. The green shelf system was developed from the end of the first half of 2016 in the city branches existing in the districts of the county seat: Bánhida, Newtown, Upper Gala, Garden District, Old Town. In fact, this is a selection from the stock of the branch, bringing together the books belonging to wider context of ecology on separated shelves. After the formation of the special collection, the new acquisition gone here, broadening the offer of the issues about nature, environment, sustainability. 60 local governments of Komárom-Esztergom County entered into a contract with József Attila County and City Library to order library services to supply the community. Acquisition and bibliographic description of the documents, logistic and services of developing the library environment, organization of programs, digital trainings for users. In 2016, the County Library urged the small community libraries to establish the green shelf system, as in the city branches, with coherent newly acquired stock almost everywhere, which can strengthen the environmental awareness by library resources in the settlement. On the 29th of May 2017, at the Artist Retreat Bajna, an environmental competition, Secrets of the Gercse, passed off organized by the local government and the community library. Mr. János Nász, the eco-reference librarian of the József Attila County and City Library, was invited to the informative event organized with the participation of the students of the local elementary school. He helped juries work with his knowledge and experience. From 2014, the County Library regularly participates in the larger on-site eco-events of the county seat, yearly participates among others in the events Open Gates and Environment Day, introducing itself as a devoted service provider for the sustainability and the green approach of the city. The library variously and playfully informs about the services and activities of the environmental education in these events. The common goal is, together with the maintainer of the library, to make the students in the city from the preschool to the high school know which activities and services are available locally, strengthening the laudable localism, as it's said here, the feeling to be from Tatabánya. In 2016 and 2017, online applications were announced in the environment science and environmental protection themes by the County Library under the National Library Days. Students of 10, 14 of schools of small settlements and Tatabánya could compete for precious awards. The questions of the competitions were composed on the basis of the eco-newsletters, the booklet, including the eco-activities of the library, the eco-bibliography, and motivated them to use the catalogue. The prizes were offered due to the context of the library by societies and associations engaged in the environmental management and protection. The online community competition with the same theme and method was successful too. In 2016, Photo Award BET, Build the Environment Truly, was announced by the county library in order to protect the environment of Tatabánya and immediate surroundings, presenting on photos the environmental values. The Photo Award was available for adults too. The prize was supported by the committee sponsors. The Children's Department of the County Library strongly focuses on the disseminating the environmental and ecological education to the wide audience concerning both the events and the functioning. To mention the most important of the events of the last 7 years: interactive activities for preschool and elementary school age group, gamificated interactive activities for young people with special educational needs, theme days, camps, applications, Eco-Week were organized. More than 200 sessions go on per year, and the main idea of most of them is the environmental awareness and protection. Day camps. From summer 2014, successful participations were in environmental educational applications. This resulted the wandering camps. The goal was to map the values of Tatabánya with environmental approach. During the drawing of the programs of the 3-day camps, the main aspect was the environmental protection, both in the selection of the destinations and the basic tools of the handicraft session, and in the selection of means of transport. Enjoyed and advantaged the bicycle and the walking. Among the afternoon library activities, the handicraft session was placed first, in the context of the recycling and environmental protection, of course. Sleepaway camps. The whole week sleepaway educational camps are organized around a particular topic. In 2015, the point was the science, nature studies, with hiking and animal acts presenting the natural values of Vértes Mountain. The campsite was in the neighborhood at the Forest School of Környebánya. In 2013, the Children's Department encamped in several turns at the Buttercup Farm Forest School as guest of the Pro Vértes Environment Protection Public Foundation. The students were not only intimated with the plant and animal life of the near forest and fields, but participated in everyday work around the domestic animals. Eco-Week. In spring 2016, in the context of the ecological thinking, the librarians of the department organized Eco-Week for preschool and elementary school students. The groups were awaited with the gamificated environment protection activity Save Globi, which was broadcasted by the Hungarian television. The Children's Day gone on in the context of the ecological attitude too, enriched by eco-tales, eco-playhouse, eco-DIY, eco-handcraft sessions. The environmental protection thinking has an important role in the handicraft sessions of the Children's Department and relating to the motivation for reading. Every library activity, whether library or thematic presentation, even paper theater, is closed by the DIY session, helping the complex presentation of the topic for the participants. By these activities, together with the whole summer DIY Wednesdays, the children learn and use the idea of efficiency, saving, recycling in indirect form, combined with other useful knowledge, of course. In addition to mediating this attitude for external audiences, they made the selective waste collection increasingly popular among staff because the Children's Department receives all reusable things from the toilet paper rollers to the cork stoppers. The County Library is continual invitee at the eco-conferences and events of the Association of Climate-Friendly Settlements, as well as the Hungarian Academy of Sciences and the Department of Holistic Ecology of the Hungarian Sociological Association. The County Library as invitee participates from 2015 at the yearly environmental education conferences of the Komárom-Esztergom County Organization of the Association of Hungarian Technical and Scientific Organization, where the actual questions of environmental education are discussed. Fruitful and mutually supportive partnership is formed with the Tatabánya Climatic Circle Public Organization and the Vértes Forest Company. On the 3rd of October 2016, the professional conference of the 45th Komárom-Esztergom County Library Week was organized about the development of the services of the Green Library. Series of lectures presented the services and activities of the Green Library in Tatabánya for the librarians of the county. On the 31st of March 2017 in Tatabánya, in the conference room of the Hotel Árpád National Conference, Ecological Attitude and Library movie was organized to testify the experiences of the presenting eco-films recommended through the library movie program. The Children's Department of the Jókai Mór City Library of Komárom asked the County Library for a program on the occasion of the World Environmental Day in 2017. On the 9th of June, 30 elementary students and the teachers watched the film Wild Hungary, Realm of the Waters, with a view to know the natural values of Hungary and environmental protection. It is gratifying that more and more libraries are interested in the eco-activities of the Library of Tatabánya in the country and across borders. Since 2015, we were in Nové Zámky, Ziline, Rajecké Teplice, Nyitra. The basic values of the Hungarian movie treasure are available in the libraries of more than 400 small settlements by the Library Movie Program and the Connected Community Sessions. From 2017, in 14 settlements of Komárom-Esztergom County, eco-films are screened as well. The aim of the program is not a secret: to structure the libraries of the settlements with population below 5,000 in the cultural community places. The presented films can form the people living there into a community responsible for the settlement even indirectly, as well as the whole Hungarian library service system can be reached through the local small libraries. There are 2 eco-films in the offer: Krisztina Danka PhD, Nature is IQ for Adults, and Zoltán Török, Wild Hungary, Realm of the Waters for elementary students. The movies are introduced by the session leader, Mr. János Nász, who elaborates them with the participants in playful form. Then there is a discussion about the films. Of course, we have organized our own green programs. Investation to the education, culture, so to the knowledge, depositories and libraries too. The consciousness is the token of a lovable, livable and sustainable world. The environmental education is most effective at local level by local solutions, local examples. The holistic approaches, which can talk to all social groups, give the best answers to the challenges. Thank you for your kind attention.